welcome to the next video. Today we're going to talk about something quick and simple, how to create a module. Now the module are basically your chapters within your course. So I am going to go to my course page, which is what you see, and I'm going to go down to this partnering with your boss because I have 0 modules on this one. So I'm going to click into it and then go down to Step 3, add course content. So then you have your pre-actions, your modules and trainings, and your replays and bonuses. So of course, we're going to go to modules and training. Currently you have 0 modules. So we could add it here, or since there's 0, you can add it here. I will go here. And I'm going to name my module. And my first module will be called module learning how to make a module. I don't know. This is not a course I'm keeping. It was one that I made just really quickly. So then I'm going to do the description, how to create a module. And then learning how to create a module. That's okay. I'll keep that link. I want it to be released immediately. And when they finish this module, yeah, they'll get 10 XPs. I like that. So I'm going to save that. Oops. Even if it is a test, I still want it to be typed right. So we do save changes. And then I have my first module. Let's say I'm just making my outline right now. I'm not adding trainings. That'll be in the next video. Right now, I'm just making my outline of my steps. So then I'm going to add a new module. And I'm going to do step 2 for module. This is where I would put my second chapter, or whatever it may be. Same thing. Okay, that's okay. Immediate. And if they finish this, I want 10 more points. Perfect. 10 points. So now I have 2 modules. And I could keep going as many as I want. Some of my courses have 10 modules. Some have less. So basically, if I want to edit this, let's say I want to capitalize that. I want to change it and take the typo away. First, I want my URL to be correct. Okay, there we go, modules. Then we're going to capitalize this. I could change it all together. We will correct the typo, modules, and then we'll put that as an exclamation point. So I could change it. I could reword it. If I could do whatever I want. I'm looking over here. If I want to change the picture, I could go here and click on this, and then pick a picture. Let's put her just because she's nice and quick. So then that picture will come up there. And now when you see the module, you should see that picture. You should see for at least module 2. I didn't change module 1. Anyway, so then I do save. There goes the picture. Then let's say I want to put another picture for module 1. So I'm going to go back to module 1. I clicked on it. And then I go to the picture. And we're going to put this person on this one. I'm going to do with my typos right. Okay, great. Then I'm going to do save. So now I have a course with 2 modules in it. In the next course, we'll show how to put the training. It's pretty much exactly like what we just did, except you hit the training button. But that is for the next video. Oh, and you can see that my 25 seconds. Dismiss. Excuse that. Anyway, so if you have any questions, leave them below, and we will see you in the next video.